Alright guys, so we're back out on the creek. Same creek I was fishing last video. This time going for some bigger bass. Got a jerkbait and Ned rig tied on. I also got a rooster tail just to clean up if I don't catch any. At the first hole at the beginning I saw like a 1 to 2 pounder, so that's a good sign. Just heading straight for the good holes I think there'll be a lot of bass in, so let's see how it goes. On the jerkbait right now. First spot, hope we get a little bite. Oh, that's not good. Throwing a little jerkbait at the first spot here. Hopefully we'll catch one. Basically just throwing against these rocks here where the smallmouth like to hide out. Hopefully we get a decent one today. Couple casts with the Ned rig. Alright guys, so sad news. The bill on my jerkbait broke off. So, guess I'll have to tie on something else. R.I.P. So Lord, shoot. Little guys are munching at it. Oh shit, it's a stick. Oh, there's fish number one, guys. Oh shit. That was like a 4-inch smallmouth. Oh, there we go. There's a decent one. Let's go. Oh. There we go, guys. Decent little guy on the Ned rig. Hell yeah. All right. Oof, got a little scar on his back there. All right, buddy. See ya. There we go. There we go. Oh, he ripped the plastic a little bit, but we're good. All right, guys, so here's a tip. Like right now I'm stuck on a rock and because I have exposed hook, but if you want to get it off without going to wade out and get it or snap it off, you hold tension on it and you pull this back and you just let it go in a slapping motion. Try at different angles and it'll pop off most of the time. Like there we go, right there. The fish like love that motion, so a lot of times they'll bite it right off of that. Oh, there's a largemouth. Oh, catch and release. I didn't even know he was on there. He kept on scooting it up. He like picked it up and I guess he just kept on coming towards me slowly and slowly. So whenever I like went to bob it up, it would feel like it was just moving forward a little bit. That's crazy, man. Oh, there we go. There's another largemouth, dude. Dang, you just not want to give up, man. Right as I turn the GoPro on. Oh shit, that's a creek chub. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's hooked so awkwardly. See ya. That was a good creek chub, man. All right, so the line on my Ned rig rod just snapped and I don't have enough to tie in another one. So, and then my jerkbait rod's out of commission and I don't have any more jerkbaits. So I'm left with the rod I have a rooster tail on. I'll probably just leave that on and try to catch a few at this hole down here and on the way back. See how it goes. Also, this is my girlfriend's rod and reel, so she doesn't know I'm using it, so don't tell her. All right, let's see if we can't catch a few more. Beef up our numbers a little bit. Oh, there we go. It's actually kind of a nice one. Oh, self-release. I saw that dude like come up behind it. I knew he wanted that. There's gotta be some more in the shade here. Oh, there's a hit. You know you want it. Oh. So you want it? There we go. Dude, I think that was the same one. What an idiot, dude. If I go for a fish and I hook to the mouth, odds are I'm not gonna go for the same looking fish like 5 seconds after. That's just natural selection at that point. Little sunny. Oh. Dude. My girlfriend would have been so angry if I got her lure stuck. She would not know though, until she watched the video. Little smallmouth.